How to speed up hotspot on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to speed up hotspot on your iPhone. The first step is simply by closing all applications running in the background. So let's close all the application and then you need to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and then tap on general and here tap on background app refresh. And here disable the background app refresh of some apps you commonly use when it's done. I suggest restarting your device. It's build a fresh connection to cellular data. The next step is to restart your network data. So to do this, you need to go to general again and here you need to tap on reset. This will make sure that no change in your settings affect your hotspot. Other cause for a slow hotspot speed could be that your monthly data plan is limited by your carrier. If you don't have an unlimited data plan and you want to access your hotspot with a computer or console the disable automatic updates, as this will use up your data plan pretty fast. Lastly, some protective cases can decrease your hotspot speed significantly. Take it off to verify how much the connection will increase. I hope the video helped you. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up. If you have any question related to the video, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video.